A failing transmission is a serious vehicle issue affecting power delivery to the wheels. It leads to reduced fuel efficiency, potential safety hazards, and costly repairs. We'll cover three key warning signs: slipping gears, delayed shifting, and strange noises, all critical for early detection and prevention of major damage. Slipping gears occur when the transmission fails to properly engage a gear. This results in the engine revving high, but the vehicle doesn't accelerate as expected. Common causes include low transmission fluid, worn friction plates inside the transmission, or malfunctioning solenoids. For automatic transmissions, this might indicate torque converter issues. For manual transmissions, this often indicates clutch problems. For automatic transmissions, this might indicate torque converter issues. If you notice this, address it immediately to avoid further damage. Unusual noises from the transmission clearly indicate internal problems. These sounds can help diagnose issues before they worsen. Whining sounds typically indicate low transmission fluid levels, which can cause inadequate lubrication. They may also signal bearing failure, where the metal components rub against each other due to wear. Clunking noises often suggest loose components within the transmission, such as gears or shafts that have excessive play. This can also indicate worn mounts or bushings that allow parts to shift unexpectedly. Grinding sounds usually indicate metal-on-metal contact, signaling severe internal wear. This occurs when gears or other components are damaged and no longer mesh properly, requiring immediate attention. Vibration analysis helps pinpoint the source of strange noises. High-frequency noises often suggest electrical issues, such as sensor failures. Low-frequency noises indicate mechanical wear, like worn bearings or gears. Modern vehicles increasingly feature telematics and AI-driven onboard diagnostics that can flag transmission issues in real time. These systems, like Ford's Sync or GM's OnStar, use smartphone apps to provide predictive maintenance alerts. Over 70% of 2025 model year vehicles have this, reducing misdiagnoses. Adaptive software adjusts for wear, extending transmission lifespans. Utilize these technologies to catch problems early. The rise of electric vehicles is transforming transmission reliability. EVs like the Tesla Model 3 use single-speed gearboxes that virtually eliminate traditional shifting problems. Unlike complex internal combustion engine transmissions, EVs have much simpler designs. This results in transmission failure rates below 1%, compared to 5 to 10% in ICE vehicles. As EVs account for 35% of U.S. vehicle sales, transmission issues overall are decreasing due to these simpler, more reliable systems. This electrification trend is making vehicles more dependable and reducing maintenance costs. Experts emphasize proactive maintenance. AAA's automotive engineer, John Nielsen, advises that 80% of transmission woes are fluid-related. Change it proactively. Regularly changing transmission fluid prevents many issues, as degraded fluid can cause slipping gears and delayed shifting. Statistics show 12 million transmission-related complaints annually. Ignoring strange noises can lead to total failure within 5,000 miles. Early detection and regular maintenance are key to avoiding costly repairs, potentially saving you thousands of dollars. Don't ignore the signs.